Another new product on the focal side is the brand new in-wall sub from 100 series called 100 IW Sub8. It's an 8-inch sub dedicated to new construction, as you can see, powered by a dedicated amp. So this 8-inch polyglass sub is powered by a 200 watt RMS amplifiers, which is basically right there. So this is the dedicated amp for the 100 IW Sub8. That amp offers 200 watt RMS on one channel, and since the 100 IW Sub8 is 8 ohm, you can plug up to 2 subs per amplifier and then get the most of the room, because that way you will get rid of all the room modes and optimize the LFE channel performances.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Click below to subscribe and be sure to follow Inside CI on Twitter, Facebook and Google+.